Hello viewer, we are going to change the different shapes here, making the designs, increase the stroke length, dark intensity. So using the paint tool over it. So let's pick up that red design. Using the hair designs as well, we will make the different shapes, taking these pictures here.